Meaning of divorced.
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 Divorced. Divorced refers to the legal termination of a marriage by a court or other authorized body. Following a divorce, the couple is no longer married and is free to remarry, start new relationships, or live independently. The court may determine issues related to property division, child custody, spousal support, and other matters before finalizing the divorce. Divorce can be a difficult and emotional process for all parties involved, but can also provide a fresh start and opportunities for personal growth and development.